Now let's see electroplating. In electroplating, a less reactive metal is coated on a more reactive metal by the process of electrolysis as shown into the figure. See, the substance which is to be electrolyted will be taken as cathode, or which will be connected to the negative terminal of the battery, so that it will act as a cathode. And for example, if you want to plate, or you want a coating of certain metal on aluminium spoon, then you'll have to connect that aluminium spoon to the negative terminal of the battery, where it will be acting as a cathode, and the metal of which you are going to give the coating, that will be taken as an anode. So if you are going to give the silver coating on the aluminium spoon, that silver plate will act as an anode, and that is to be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Then the dissociation of the ions will take place. Ions will be separated from the metal, and it will be going towards the negative electrodes. So these are going to be the cations. The cations will move towards the cathode, and this is how all the silver cations will be deposited on the surface of this aluminium spoon, and this is how the aluminium spoon will become silver plated. So this is how the process of electroplating takes place. Now alloying means it is a homogeneous mixture of metals, two or more metals, or a metal or a non-metal. So you might have heard about brass. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. So it consists of 25% of copper and 75% of copper and 25% of zinc, while brass is an alloy which is formed from 90% of copper and 10% of tin. uh, so bronze statues are not affected by sun and rain. Then stainless steel, it is also an alloy which is made up from 74% of iron, 18% of chromium, and 8% of carbon. Now you might have seen the coins which we use as a current, which is a part of our currency into our day-to-day life. So even this coins are made up of alloys. So 5 rupee coin is made up of brass, while 10 rupee coin, the outer ring is made up of nickel and brass, while while the central part of 10 rupee coin is made up of nickel and silver. So again there is a use of an alloy. So alloys, if we are doing the process of alloying, then also we can protect the metals from getting rusted or from getting corroded. So this is how we have completed this chapter. Kindly complete all the whatever questions are there into your exercise, and keep your notebooks ready for checking. So till then, have a knowledgeable day. Thank you.